Hello and welcome to my channel, En Casa de Araceli. Today we prepared Mexican enchiladas. The ingredients are corn tortillas, crumbling cheese, 3 guajillo peppers, 2 ancho peppers, garlic, salt, and oil. We remove the seeds from the guajillo and ancho peppers and put them to boil. Once boiled, put them into a blender with garlic, salt, and a cup of water that we used to boil them in to puree.
¡Epa! Suénale, mi chavo. ¡Apa!
We dice the onion as small as possible to add to the crumbling cheese. This step is optional. Next, let's pour some oil into our pan at low heat. Then dip the tortilla in the red chili sauce and slightly fry the tortillas for 5 seconds on each side. Once the tortilla is done, add crumbling cheese and roll them into enchiladas. Garnish with sour cream and crumbling cheese. This is how I make Mexican enchiladas with rice, beans, and avocado. I hope you enjoy them. Thanks for your support and attention. Please share and subscribe. Look forward to your comments. Till next time.